Here's how I'd recommend you to communicate to your teachers during distance learning, at least for my classes. Works for all of us too. Anyways, top of your screen, we have a little envelope icon to send messages to and from. So I'll click that. I'm going to pick a new message to send. Type in my teacher's last name. Let's send one to Mr. Birch. So I go B-I-R-C-H. Let it populate. Nope, Birch is B-U-R-C-H. Right, there he is, Birch. And I'd suggest in the subject line to maybe give your hour, like maybe your third hour, fourth hour, fifth hour, or maybe. Then type your question in. You hit send. That way, Birch can read your message, respond back to you to help, with some stuff here. Okay? So let's say you're the student, and I'll send a message to myself here. Hold on, let me type this in. So I'm going to send a message to me. I'll go third hour help. What's for lunch? Hold on, almost ready. It's the fun part about going distance learning is we're not totally good at it yet. Send. Okay. So a message was sent to me, and then as I'm navigating around my screen, I'll jump into my classes and I'll go, hey, look here, one showed up. All right, here it is. It's my student asking what's for lunch. I can open the message and say leftovers, question mark, and hit send, and it's going to go back to that student's inbox. And then when you're in your account, it won't show up instantly. It won't ping. You kind of have to refresh your screen every so often. As you navigate from course to course, it's the same thing as refresh. So as you navigate from course to course to course, yours will pop up here. And this one did. And I'm going to respond back to me and say that. So again, sent back to me. Do I see it? Not right away. But again, as you're working around your screen, you go in and out of courses. Maybe go back to my high school class, pick that, and hey, there it is. So again, to be patient with the process. This here is a way to talk to your teacher and have things figured out. Okay, there it is. That's what I recommend.